Come and stay with Elephant and me.
No, thanks.
I gotta stay.
Oh no. Oh, you fell down.
I'm next.
I'm going to sneeze.
Whoa!
Yeah! Junior blew my hand off, you idiot! Ow, ow, ow,
Achoo.
Say it, don't spray it.
Seriously? Keep your sneeze to yourself. Achoo. Keep your sneeze to yourself. Achoo. Keep your sneeze to yourself.
Thank you, Cocker. That was super. Super. Won't you sing another one, Big Red?
No! Sometimes you gotta pop out and show.
Uh-oh, that's one. Two. Three. 4.
Sorry, I wasn't sure if you were gonna shoot me with a chicken.
Oh, that's enough. I choose.
Oh no! Here they come again! Ah!
That's a good idea.
Hello again to all my friends. I'm glad you came to play. Our fun and learning never end. Here's what we did today.
Today we have a party. Not just any party, a sneeze party. We learn to cover our noses when we sneeze. That's a song that I made up. Or that's what it released, right? Oh, and also, we did a talent party. I was like, amazing. That'll deserve a big sneeze cheer.
And remember, I love you.